Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to combine multiple cells all into one cell with the area code prefix and phone number. First I'll go over concatenate equals concatenate parentheses first number, comma, second number, comma, third number, and then close the parentheses, and it combines them. Now you can add a dash between them to make it look nicer by doing the same thing, only adding quotation marks with a dash in between them. So let's do that. Equals concatenate first number, comma, quote, dash, quote, comma, second number, comma, quote, dash, quote, comma, third number. Close the parentheses, and it gives you the same thing with quotation marks in between. You can do the same thing with concat, except concat can make it somewhat easier if you just want to combine cells. Equals concat parentheses. So if you don't want to type in each cell with a comma between it, you can just take a range of cells with concat, close parentheses, and it combines them. Or you could do just like you did with concatenate, equals concat text number 1, comma, text number 2, comma, text number 3, close parentheses, and it combines them the same way. And you can do that the same thing as you did with concatenate with putting the dashes in there. So that's how you use concatenate and concat, and thank you for watching.